So hey there and welcome back to another tutorial. So in today's tutorial I'm showing you exactly how to bulk create your Canva designs, whether you are working on daily social media posts, motivational quotes, or even videos with autofill captions. This saves tons of time for creators, marketers and influencers. So let me explain why you should use Canva Bulk Create. So Bulk Create is perfect for daily Instagram or TikTok content, quote cards or affirmations, repetitive contents or posts with slight variations. Also batch scheduling for social media. Now let me show you how you can do it step by step. But before we jump in, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. Now let's show you how you can bulk create in Canva. So first of all, you have to go to canva.com. This one, you can see their logo. Tap onto this. This is their official site. Now you have to choose your format, like for example like TikTok post, Instagram post or custom size. Then you have to create a blank design. To do it, you can see this option at the left corner, top left corner, create the plus icon, tap onto it, and from there at the search bar you can search for what type of layout do you want, like what templates do you wish to continue with your project. If you want for TikTok, then search for TikTok. First, here you can see there are many options like TikTok photo mode like square ones, portrait ones, and there are TikTok video mode. But for me, I'm gonna do it for an Instagram post, so I'm gonna choose this one for 1:5 ratio. Now you have to tap on to create a blank account, blank one. So as I just did. Now select your base templates. You have to choose your background color. From here you can see this. You can simply also search for background color or anything. For example, you can search for aesthetic background for Instagram, for Insta. Okay, you can search it now. As you can see, there are a bunch of templates. So for now I'm gonna go with this one. This one is pretty nice. Now if you want to edit this text here, you just have to click on them and double click on them again, and then you can delete the text. Also, if you want to change their color, like if you can also merge them together like this. Just choose them and then tap onto mouse's right button, then tap lock, and then you can see that they are locked now. And if you want to unlock them, then tap onto this. Then you have to right click on them, then tap onto unlock. You can do it again, tap onto them and unlock. Now let's move forward to how you can edit the text more. Like if you want to edit the text, here at the middle top you can see this option called something like A. Tap onto this, and from there you can change its color. Also you can use gradient color. And now let me show you how you can edit the fonts of this text. After choosing the text, like double click on them, and from there you can see this option, like here, this option here. You have to tap onto this, and from there you can see a lot of fonts here. There are a lot of fonts, premium ones. Like let me show you how you can see which are the premium ones and which are the free ones. As you can see, the free ones does not have any type of crown logo at their side, and the premium one has this little crown logo here. Now if you want the premium ones, you have to buy Canva Premium, or if you can go with the free ones. Now if you want to change the font, you can just choose the font you want to go with, and then that's it. Now you can change them. Now let me show you how you can edit the background. So if you want to edit the background of Canva, just tap onto this, then right click onto it, and then you can tap onto detach image from background. Also, okay, let me take the backward. Now if you want to add any more extra background like types of layer, then you can just go to upload, then choose your image you want to add. For example, I'm gonna show you how you can add this tree. So you can add this tree here, as you can see, and if you want to make take the text or this tree or logo, images, anything it can be, to the backwards, then you can tap on to bring forward, and if you want to send it to the back, then you can tap on to send it to back. So this is how we can do it. Now let's go and add some elements. So you can add some elements from here at the top right left corner. You can choose this option called element, and from there you can choose any types of effects you want to add. For example, you can search for sparkles or anything. For me, I'm gonna just type in effects. So after clicking on effects, there will be a bunch of effects will be shown at Canva. You can see this one is premium one, so I'm just gonna choose a free one. Like this one is pretty much nice. You can choose them. I'm gonna add multiple of them, so I'm gonna just tap on and create a duplicate. Now you can easily edit them here, and you can create a duplicate, and let's bring it here, then create another duplicate, and let's bring the text here. Okay, wait. So this is how we can customize it. Now let's see, you want to use something like this. If you want to draw something here, you can draw. If you want to draw something, okay. My drawing is very bad, so I'm just gonna skip this part. You can add drawings, you can add some types of arrow from here, like shapes. You can choose them and then add them. You can also delete them if you want. But for me, I'm just gonna keep it in the backward for now. Okay, wait. Let me delete this one, okay. Now from projects, you can add something like this. You can add some projects here. You can use magic media from here for AI. This is the AI side of Canva. You can use it to generate images or generate clips for your video. Like you have to describe something, like I'm gonna search is as and this will generate something on my image, like on my description. So wait until it is loaded fully. Here we go, you can see this images, pretty cool, right? So now let's add an image from here. For example, let's add this one. Now we can choose them here, then choose it. Let's send it to backwards, send to backward, like send backward more, and more. Let's send it to backwards until it is perfectly seated. Okay, just send to back. Here you can see. If you want, you can change its color like this, okay? Here you can see this. So isn't it pretty much cool? So this is how you can edit this. Now you can use ChatGPT or similar to generate your text, like generate 10 girly motivation quotes, and you can add it to your. In the left toolbar, you can click apps. You can tap onto apps and search for bulk create. Now after creating your project, you can tap onto bulk create and then tap enter. Click on bulk create, like enter your data. You can, if you want to use it, you have to use the premium version. Tap onto try for 30 days. Now then tap on to start my free trial if you want. And from here you can bulk create your objects. So as I shown you, go to apps, then you have to search for bulk create and it will show you this site. Now from there you can use this to bulk create your objects, your projects. Okay, so this is pretty much it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.